Well, here's the new coil. There's a connector down here, and then a bolt or two. There's 2 holes there, so I don't know if there's 1 or 2 in there, but that's where the
Yep, there's 2.
So we're going to pull those out there. Let's see if I can feel what those.
Yep, there's 2. I feel like Phillips or Torx maybe.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. We're going to have to pull the air cleaner off to get down to that, to get to it. But I kind of doubt that's the problem, but these weren't very expensive, and it won't hurt putting a new coil in. You know, after a while they get kind of weak, and so that'll definitely help out a little bit. So let's go ahead and grab the tools and we'll start pulling. So let's see if I can start by pulling the air cleaner off. And then go ahead. Oh, those are more than I can pull off right now. Where's this? It's gotta come off too, or out. Flip these levers down, but they're a little too hard right now for me.
I was going to get a screwdriver.
Kind of neat little compact set of tools. Like in this one, we went to one auction, and that part of what was in something we got.
Yeah, I wanted this one.
So here is just doing those little things there. I have to pull the hose off or just move it. Yeah, lift that side up.
Yep, I know. Just get it out of the way is what we need.
Set that over there. Filter out. Filter's fairly new, so we don't need to change it. Otherwise, now would be a perfect time to change it. And it looks like there's a takes a nut or something. You turn it by hand?
Oh yeah. I'm turning it, but I don't know if it comes up. Don't feel like it.
It might be something he just pushes on too.
Oh well. Yeah. Boy, I went. There's a little nut right up here. Hold it for one.
Oh yeah, right over there. Pull that.
It's like about 7, 8 or 9 maybe metric. About 9, I'd say. Maybe it's a 10. Where was I off? Yep, it's a 10.
Oh, 10 millimeter.
I don't have the adapter.
We need to fill up the washer fluid while we're here.
Let's stand it here.
Yeah.
squishy there for a second. It turns, but I don't know if it don't look like it's coming out. It just looks like better. Shoot.
There's not a lot of room over there. You
No.
drop the nut down there, or the socket down there.
Socket, yeah. I don't know how in the heck that comes out.
You might have to just keep turning it. It looks like it's getting loose when you pulled up on it. Oh, here's those little, over here, there's one of those little pull things. Pop that out.
Maybe. Yeah. Well, it's loose. Ah. It does screw in one.
Oh, yeah.
It did
That's
have
this
one.
one. Yeah,
Okay.
it did come
It
up
is a
there. So,
Phillips.
okay.
It's a Phillips.
And, yeah, got a little Phillips in there. Need a little Phillips and a little ratchet. You happen to have an adapter to put one of them Allen wrenches in there?
What, on this?
Yeah, that'd be the easiest. And back here, let's see. Yeah, it's threaded in there, so.
This might be too long. For the second one, it is.
Yeah, you're gonna
Okay.
put it. See if you can get a socket that fits
I'm going to see
in.
if I have something that.
And we can get a socket that those will fit in. If there's a small enough one, then all you got to do is just put it in the socket, and it'll get in there a little easier. Hopefully, because you have to use that
Only one
adapter,
problem
it's
is
not too long.
You can't leave it go down because it just falls right out. I'm going for the bottom one first.
One come loose. Yeah, the bottom one's loose.
Yeah.
Just finger loose now.
The bigger head. Sit in there better.
You still got an
Well,
angle.
that's too big now. Son of a gun.
Yeah. Finding the right size screwdriver bit.
pressure on it. Oh, Jesus. Slipping. Yeah, there goes that stupid screw bit. Oh, Lordy.
This top one stripped out a little bit. You can see it, not too bad, but a little bit.
And that's where we're going to get it out.
Little pair of vice grips, put it on there. I don't know what thread it is. Yeah, see if we can get. I don't know why they would put Phillips in there instead of a bolt.
Yeah, I don't know. Dodge. I don't know.
There's probably a metric thread on top of it too.
Yeah,
so.
it's a real fine thread. Probably is metric. You could
So
probably go up to Bongars and find one, if
Yeah.
nothing else. Because this is longer than that. I know I don't have that. There's a plug in at the bottom there.
And
Like a push button there.
yeah, should be a push end to pull off. Sometimes look at the old one, you can kind of tell what it does. Yeah, I've got to push the button down.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's got to push down.
Huh.
Well, I can't push real hard either, so.
Let me see. It's not like I could get it any better, but
Do it right.
a good one. I looked out the kitchen window
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago. There's a black cat. I think it was Don's. I heard this commotion, all these birds whooping and hollering. Well, apparently the cat had something in its mouth, and I figured it was one of the chicks from one of those birds. There's like 4 birds trying to get that poor cat. It was just walking like it had gotten its catch and it was going home. Didn't even act like it was. Thought it was up there. Maybe I put it back in the socket. Probably. If they're all full, it's back in the socket. There's 2 sets there. put it to, I'll never get it off. Probably never have to take it off anyway, but
No.
that's beside the point. Okay, we got that changed. Let's get the rest of it back together.
It's true, you've got one down here that it wasn't even fastened onto it before.
Right. Everything. That goes up further that way. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna feel it. I think you got it. No, it's got to go further that way in the back.
That's where the bolt come off of.
Yeah, that's where the book goes in. Let me feel underneath.
buttons aren't in.
Yeah, I see.
Here, look this up.
There we go.
Now we're in. Put all those clips back on.
It's still on them for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know why that one's not
Huh.
going in there.
There's two.
So I think they were like that before. Is the filter in all good?
Yeah, the filter's in good. Well, something's not right.
Yeah.
That's all in good.
Probably because that thing has got it tweaked because it's not fastened onto that screw down there. Still not right. Not even close. They got like the filter's not sitting down there like it's supposed to. Get this off. That out of there, out of the way. Put that on first.
A lot better than what they were. Still not right. Pretty sure it went in that way.
So yes, not. I don't think that's fastened down on it like it's supposed to.
Well, let's see how
I don't
change
think it's even close. It started with this one down here to get that one on, get it started, and then fasten that one down. Now we're going to snug this one up. That should make that air cleaner box nice and tight. There is another one down here that I don't know how you're going to get to it. It's down here way underneath. So yeah. Yeah, that box has still got a little bit of a bow in it.
Not like it did though.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It just pushes that out. I don't remember noticing if it was like that before. Probably was. We just didn't look at it. You probably look at the video and see. That'll seal good enough though.
Looks like it's sitting okay, but getting these clips on's another story.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one.
Got one. Three more to go. One back here. that corner back there.
Yeah.
And I can't see it, but there's a clip on that back side there.
Ouch. Maybe I forget these other two first.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Like this one here, and see if we can get this one on. That's on. Yeah, that corner's not sitting down there as well as it should.
Oh, it looks like it's down all the way. If you can push. I almost have it.
I can't push up on it anymore. Not the right angle.
Yeah, I hear you. Bigger. Oh, that don't help. Farts.
That's why that back one is so hard, because it's not sitting on like it should. There we go. Now, I don't know if we can get this back one back here or not, but can't really see it. So,
I can't really get to it.